let's talk about the best practices for posting content on LinkedIn. In terms of schedule, posting daily company updates is the most effective way to start a conversation, drive word of mouth, and directly engage with your target audience. Aim to post in the morning. Posts published in the morning usually have the highest engagement, with a slight increase occurring again after business hours. Remember, LinkedIn is a B2B, professional-focused platform for building and developing professional connections, so your post should always be professional and helpful in tone. Finally, get your employees to share company posts to increase reach and credibility. In this way, they can act as brand ambassadors and reinforce the mission and vision of your company. How can marketers enhance sharing on LinkedIn? Consider focusing your content at LinkedIn users who aren't in your network but share an interest in a topic. You can do this by joining and posting content to groups. The content will then be available for group members to read and share. This builds authority and puts your content front and center for group members to engage with. One key thing to avoid is posting overly self-promotional or irrelevant content into groups. It must be useful and on topic to make an impact. You can fan out the reach and engagement of your content on LinkedIn by tagging relevant companies and members of your professional network who might be interested in the content or directly involved in the content topic. This will also show your content to the tagged members' professional network. As well as tagging members of your professional network, you should also tag relevant employees and coworkers to increase the reach and engagement levels of your content with the tagged members and their professional networks. You could also add a number of hashtags below the main text of your LinkedIn post. If you press Enter once or twice, it will drop your cursor down by a line or two, or you can add your hashtags to associate the content with these topics. When the LinkedIn user sees your post in their feed, the hashtags will be hidden. They're only visible when the user chooses to see more from your post. This is a great way to add hashtags without overcomplicating how the post looks to your audience. This generally increases comprehension and engagement.